guys, welcome back to Brayla's World, and today I'm going to be reviewing an item I purchased off Mercari. Today is real simple and real short, and I'm just going to be reviewing one item that I got, and this is going to be the first episode of a series. So, as you know, I sell on Mercari, and my name is Brayla's Closet. Very simple, my name and basically what I'm selling out of, my closet. So, without further ado, we're gonna jump right in, and I'm gonna insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like versus what it looks like. And does it work? So let's go. So I'm here with the package. Got some scissors. Okay. Nothing else? No extras? Okay. Very simple. So I have got this charger port. It can charge up to 3 in a car. And I can't test this one out yet, but we're gonna give them the benefit of the doubt that it works because I'm not in the car. Okay. These look legit. These are nice. Obviously, these are the generic brand, but we're gonna unbox them anyway. And I really have no purpose for them right now because I just got a brand new pair of Apple headphones with my new phone. Okay, gotta take these out. I'm gonna enter the seller's name. They're B&E products, I think, but they're B&E, and they sell a wide variety of headphones and charger ports. And I got this for $9, so I mean, a good deal. And these, they look like they work. So that's good. So guys, that is all for this video. Don't forget to check out the end for the giveaway. And that is all. Thank you for tuning into Brayla's World. See you next time. Bye. So guys, I almost totally forgot to give you my rating on these items. I've actually tested the headphones. I tested them. This, I mean, kind of like a bonus anyway, so it wouldn't really matter if it didn't work, but I would give this a 4.5. Yeah, that might sound crazy, but I'm giving it a 4.5 due to the lack of security in this package. It could have easily broken, cracked, and bust. Bruh. And bust. What is one sleeve of freaking thin bubble wrap gonna do to protect the headphones and the port? Plus, it was shipped in a bag. If it was shipped in a box, yeah, definitely full 5 stars for being great. And no, it was shipped in this, and you can't even see my address, so I mean, you can see it now, but I'm covering it. So, but like, don't get mad, but it's a 4.5. I'll give you a 4.5. So take your stars and go on with your day. Goodbye, officially. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Click the links below if you want to check out Mercari. And turn on that bell to stay posted about my videos. And